Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just open up the form, and then at the top, up at the top left, go ahead and just double click to select whatever name it's currently being named as. Select the backspace button on your keyboard to delete it, and then just type in the updated name up at the top here, and you can just click out of it to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.